Alright, today we're going to install the Reliabilt model 92640-021. That is their keyless deadbolt system. Alright, step one, we'll go ahead and remove the system that we've got in here. Alright, now we've got blank canvas to get started. To dig into the box here that's included, we give you a new plate here for the end. Set of keys. Little centering ring. Miscellaneous bolts. Backing plate, and deadbolt itself. Then the front piece, put the wiring through the bottom. There's a slot here that this has to fit through, so we'll get that in, and we'll hold front face on, and we'll go to the back, wiring through, and we use the two longest bolts. Should go in and find the back of the tumbler. Now with that still a little bit loose, we'll run screws in. Get that held in tight from the outside here. Last thing you want to do is get everything tight here and have this pushed out too far so your door won't close. Alright, once this is in good and tight and you got your front piece lined up the way you want it, and what you're going to want to do is come back here to the back, tighten these two screws down, these two bolts, so that it's good and secure, and the front piece, the outside piece, won't move around. With that mounting plate, everything's secure, and we'll go ahead and put on the back. Alright, so now we're going to install the inside piece. Take the battery door off first. That gives you access to the screws. You've got 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 here. They're going to connect onto this flange. So remember to plug your wire harness in first. Alright, that installed. Make sure it doesn't get pinched. One thing to keep in mind here as you're installing this back piece is that the connection from the tumbler back to this does have a certain orientation, so make sure that when you put them together, when this goes on, that your lock piece is in the correct orientation, that this will open and close as designed. Alright, we'll go ahead and install some batteries. little noises. The instructions say that the first thing you have to do is enter your programming code, which comes default 0000, and then hit lock 0 and lock again. So alright, so apparently now it knows its orientations, so we can change the programming code. Nobody recommends that you leave it as the default and change the user codes. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here, the user code is the primary one that I'm concerned about. So I'm going to enter in the programming code and hit lock and unlock. Then hit 1, then hit lock and unlock again. Then I'm going to enter my new code, which you're not going to get to see. And now I'm going to hit lock and unlock again. And now, if I enter my code, let's see if it works. There it goes. Perfect. Alright, so now that everything's installed, when you go to leave the house and you want to lock it behind you, all you have to do, hit the lock and unlock button, the deadbolt actuates, and then when you get back home, the button, you can hit as many times as you want, it's not going to open up. When you are ready to unlock the door, all you have to do is enter your 4-digit code. Then hit the unlock button and it will actuate. So, very nice setup there. Matches well with some of the other different brands I have with that kind of bronze color. But there you have it. Installation of the Reliabilt keypad deadbolt. Hope you guys got a little bit of information out of this. Have a great day.